We're often asked at Maverick Diagnostics, should I invest in tooling or should I invest in training? The honest answer is, it depends on the workshop. It depends on your future plans. There's so many factors involved in it. In this video, I really want to talk through what you can do and how you can decide to make these best options for your business for now and into the future. One of the starting points that we often say for technicians is, let's go back to the very basics. I'll walk into garages, or we'll even sell bits of equipment where someone will say, I've got a master technician come in and he used to be a Ford master technician. And he talks to a Ford master technician. He's a very, very good tech. He's brilliant tech. And you say, when did you leave Ford? And he says, 15 years ago. And you say, oh, so when did you last use a Ford tool? And he says, oh, well, it was IDS then. And you go, oh, okay, but it's changed quite a lot now. So you are going to have to do something about training even that guy to use the newer technology. If you're a workshop, you've got to start to think about who is there and what skill sets they have got before you start throwing tools at the job, because tools don't fix it. It's so easy to miss something. Even fully guided diagnostic functionality in OE tools will say, have you checked that? Have you checked that? But it does depend on the ability of the technician at the end of the day to have some very basic skills around electrics and electronics and know how those systems work. Let's talk about now some scenarios where we've got the skilled guys, but we haven't got the tooling. This week, I had a Renault truck with an AdBlue issue. I cannot fix that truck with an aftermarket tool. It won't even let me reset the injector system so I can start it on most of the aftermarket tools. One or two actually will. I can go in, I can restart it, and it'll run for a couple of minutes. If I turn it on and off again, it doesn't start again. Go into the Renault tool, do a software update, guess what, it's fixed again. It's having that skill level and recognizing. So that ability suddenly starts to make you a lot of money, because you realize that you can see the difference between using that tool and that tool. Most of the day, I'll use an aftermarket tool and I'll go in and I'll read codes and I'll work out that the fault is this or the fault is that. I'll look at the live data and understand, well, that's dropped out, hasn't it? So there's nothing wrong with using an aftermarket tool at all, but you do need to know the times when you've got to use an OE tool and have those necessary skills in the background to understand when the system's got either a system fault or what we call a software weakness. So one of the examples that I have of outdated tools, this is another real problem. I have people who have had a tool, I've got this tool, I've got this tool, great. It's actually a very good tool, not going to name any names, there's loads of them out there, as you know, but it doesn't do this on this car. Okay, fine, yeah, look at the tool, it's been out of date for a couple of years, doesn't work. Actually, that thing should have been Partexed or thrown in the bin. It's so out of date. They're keeping it, as many garages do, to do the older cars. What they should have done is replace that, or look at the fact that car has probably got some security gateway on it now, so it can't even be accessed by that tool. I've still got Volkswagen specialists out there using Vagcom VCDS. It doesn't really do anything past 2018. It's completely, I've got it, I'm a big fan of it. It's much use to the chocolate teapot after then. You start to use proper ODIS. Job's done. You pay your money, you do it, you get trained, and you're making money. And the training for ODIS is an essential part of that as well. What I'm trying to say to you is, don't run with outdated tools. Don't run with outdated training. There is no point, your business isn't going to go further. I go to many workshops now and I see the difference between ones and others. You've still got the spanners and hammers brigade on one side, and you've definitely got the technology guys moving forward. If you want to stay in business, get with the tech guys, get trained, get moving on, and get the tooling right, and get it right for your staff and yourself. To summarise, you need to make some decisions. The best thing to do is talk to your staff, look at their intentions, see whether they want to stay in industry, see whether they want to get upskilled. Because one of the things that we come across quite a lot is they want to stay in the industry, they love the job, but they need to be upskilled to stay there. It's not worth having that opinion of, if I upskill them, they'll go, because most of the time they'll actually stay. It'll earn you more money, you can pay them more money once you get some more, you get better jobs in and more quality jobs, and you're charging a little bit more for them. The other option is, obviously, you've got to look at training. Training needs to be continuous. As part of the budget for your garage, you need to look at training. There's many training providers. There's lots of training online. The third bit is get some decent technical support. Don't just Google stuff. It's a bloody waste of time. Learn to use some decent technical data systems and get a technical support helpline, so you can actually just get on with the job and let someone else worry about what the problem will be, and you can move on to the next vehicle. The result of all this is you have a higher skill level in your workshop, you have a higher tooling level, you're able to attract better clients into your workshop with higher end equipment, So for example, you can now say, I've got a dealer level Jaguar Land Rover kit, so I can actually fix your car at a dealer level. You've got technicians that are skilled to that dealer level. You are then competing with the dealers. So therefore you can earn more money, your business is more successful, you're happier, and your technicians are happier. You've got staff that need training. We've got the Automotive Training Academy, which offers everything from online training all the way through to IMI level 4, through to OEM dealer tool training, through to picoscope, oscilloscope training, ADAS training, Tesla training, you name it, we do it now. If you've then got the need for the tooling, we offer every type of aftermarket diagnostic tool, every type of OE tool, and everything is supported, and you'll receive initial training for those tools as well. This has been my baby for the last 20 years, and I want to see the aftermarket kept current and working for the best possible time that we can. If you're in limbo, you don't know what to do, just talk to us. Talk to sales@maverickdiagnostics.com. Give us a call and we'll talk you through a load of options. We'll put a training package together for you. We'll put together a package of workshop tooling. We'll put together a support package or even vehicle technical support. We literally have everything to offer for you. I'm Andy Brooke. Thank you for watching our video.